In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana reporting dashboards. Asana reporting tutorial, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to log in, create a dashboard, build a custom chart, refine your data with filters, and share the dashboard with your team. Start by opening Asana in your browser and signing in. Enter your work email, click continue, then type your password and log in. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow the prompts you see. Once you land on your Asana homepage, you're ready to access reporting. Look to the left sidebar and click Reporting. This takes you to the place where all dashboards live. To create a new one, click Create Dashboard. Give it a clear name if you're prompted, something that reflects the audience or purpose, like Team Delivery Overview or Executive Snapshot, so others can quickly recognize it. With your new dashboard open, click Add Custom Chart. This is where you bring your data to life. First, select a chart style that matches the story you want to tell. Use a column or bar chart for comparisons, a line chart for trends over time, a donut or pie for simple composition, or a number tile if you need a single KPI at a glance. Next, decide exactly what data the chart should display. Common choices include task completion rate, project progress, or budget-related fields if your workspace tracks them. Choose the source work, projects, or portfolios, and the fields that matter, such as status, assignee, section, or due date. The key is to align the chart with a question you're answering, like, are we finishing on time? Or which projects are at risk? Refine the results with filters, set a date range to focus on the current sprint or quarter, limit to one or more projects, or narrow by assignee, custom fields, or tags. Filters keep your chart relevant and prevent noise from creeping in. When the preview looks right, click Add to place the chart on the dashboard. You can rearrange and resize charts later to highlight the most important insights first. Repeat the add chart process as needed to build a complete picture. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share. Enter your teammates' work email addresses, confirm the access you want to grant, and click Invite. They'll receive an invite and see the dashboard exactly as you configured it, including your filters and chart settings. That's it. You logged in, navigated to reporting, created a dashboard, added a custom chart, fine-tuned the data, and shared it with your team. Save your dashboard and revisit it regularly to keep everyone aligned and informed.